Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday. Currently 30 degrees outside and a high of 45 is what the weatherman is calling for. Guess we'll find out, because you know they were really wrong yesterday. Alright, at least I remembered to charge the sessions last night. And I had charged the big digital because it basically was dying when I was trying to film the moon. So that might have been part of the issue with focusing too. Didn't think about that. But, it's time to get moving. Get Puppy on his walk and get out of the house. Rise and shine, little puppy. Rise and shine. Hi. Good morning. How are you? I was sleeping. Alright, little man. Time to get you for a walk. And then Daddy's gotta go work. I'm doing good on time today. Feels nice and brisk. Breeze out this morning. This doesn't feel too bad. Of course, I am fully covered. Oh, I'm not fully awake yet, but alarm clock went off. I'm like, really? It's morning already? It's one of those nights again. Close my eyes and boom. I did end up watching Forgetting Sarah Marshall last night. Never saw that movie before. It was, I guess it was okay. If I was awake to really pay attention, I don't know. Maybe I would have liked it better, or maybe I wouldn't have. Other than that, yeah, I was in bed. I didn't try to watch TV last night, and the cable box actually locked itself on Netflix. The sound was going, but I had no picture. I had to literally unplug the box and reboot it. Never had that happen before. That was kind of weird. Just like froze, no matter what I did, it was just the partial Netflix ring stuck. So, yeah, back to work again all day. So excited. I don't think we have any plans for Saturday either. I don't know. We were talking about it. I don't think we're doing anything. At least not that I know of. So, we'll figure it out as we get there. My stomach is not very happy with the very large glass of grapefruit juice I had this morning. Oh. Nice going down, but man, my stomach's like, what did you do to us? It's kind of been my go-to thing when I get up in the morning anymore, is try to have a glass of juice in the morning instead of coffee. Reaction is mixed. It's chilly, not gonna lie. I'm waiting for mornings when you wake up and they're 50. But it's only, what, 9 days left of March. Getting ready to head into April. Get warmer here very soon. Well, that storm they were calling for was supposed to basically slam Sherry again. Said she woke up to an inch on her car this morning. That's it. They were calling for 8 to 12. So they missed that one. Well, at least they were trying to warn people ahead of time. But doesn't look good on them when nothing happens. Okay, so I've mentioned this over and over again, but with the GoPro Hero 6 footage, what I'm doing is, for audio's sake, change the equalization from flat, just what it's normally on, to music enhance, and then it makes the files a little bit overkill. So usually I cut it down to about -5, and if you look at my sound meter here, it's still up a little bit, but you know, there's ups and downs as you're talking, so it seems to work out the best. If it is too loud, you can always tweak that. I've gone to like -9, but I got to be careful because these guys right here are from the Sony, and that picks up a lot better audio. So the Hero 6 is bad audio, it's just a little bit lower. music enhance. You'd think voice enhance would work better, but I found the music enhance works better for me. So anybody that's filming with a Hero 4, 5, 6, at least if you're in Final Cut, give it a try. See if that makes your audio files a little bit better. It's kind of a pretty afternoon, a little windy. There's definitely some sunshine. I smell some foreign substances in the air. Anyway, I need to get out of that office for a few minutes. It's just craziness. We just did scheduling and it took us like forever because they won't quit goofing off. It gets annoying after about 40 minutes of just, screwing off. Like, let's get this done. I don't want to be in here with you anymore. Freaking woodpecker up there dropping branches on the road. I'm sure he wasn't even aiming at it. So that was a pileated woodpecker. It's one of the largest woodpeckers in North America, I guess. That little guy was a good foot tall, I'm going to say. 10 to 12 inches tall. And his pictures actually came out better than I expected them to. Because I was at full zoom with an iPhone. He was quite a ways up that tree. Something interesting on a walk finally. This is the thing with life. You just don't know what's going to, present itself any day. It's always good to have other options. The GoPro would not have been able to catch, get up in the tree and show him. So, iPhone it was. Wish I had the big camera, but I just don't take it on walks. It's just too unhandy. It's actually a lot nicer out now. It's still really windy, but it's a lot nicer out now than it was when I went on my walk. 52? Seriously? Wow. Felt warmer. Hi, little dude. You wanna come out for a walk? You've been a bad puppy again. We take blankets from him because he's chewing them. He starts chewing furniture that has a fluffy top. Little step stool that we gave him basically so he doesn't have to leap into bed. He can like kind of just and see how much he wants to get out of there. You don't want to go to potty? You want to go outside and go potty? No? Come on. Come on, let's go. I don't have all night, dude. I want to go to bed. Come on. Mateo, come on. Out of your crate. It's because Mom yelled at you doesn't mean, Yes, okay, lovey dog. Lovey, lovey doggy dog. Lovey, lovey doggy dog. That's better. That's better. Out of the crate. Ooh, pinch little pin head. Pinch that little pin head. Oh, you little purple boy. I saw a bird that was as big as you today, I think. Well, maybe not quite, but close. Big ass freaking woodpecker. Alright. Nope. Nope, not going back in there. Go get on the couch. Get on the couch. Come on, get your jacket on. Let's go. Why are you being so weird tonight? You really got in trouble, didn't you? You did. Yes, you did. You're bad. What do you expect? You're a bad little twofer. We nicknamed you Chewy. Because you chew everything. You like us to chew on your stuff. You don't have anything else to chew on. You silly little dog. Okay. That's enough. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video. Comment, please. And I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Hold me close and catch your breath now. 'Cause I feel